guys, would you like to know which is the one thing that if you listen to daily, it's going to help you get rid of stress, tension, and anything that's going to make you unhappy? Hi, I am Preeti and you are watching this video on Bhagavad Gita summary. Now it's like something that if you listen to daily, it is definitely going to help you, help your mind, body and soul. Just be happy, just be peaceful in any kind of situation that you may be in. I will be telling you the Bhagavad Gita summary, and while I tell you that, I need that you feel each and every word of it. Then it's going to be like a million times more powerful for you, for your mind, body and soul. Okay? Stay tuned. So Bhagavad Gita is believed to be the summary of all the Vedas and all the Upanishads. And if you read Bhagavad Gita, it is said that you will actually cover up all the learnings, all the teachings from the Vedas and Upanishads. So here we go with the Bhagavad Gita summary. Why do you worry without cause? Whom do you fear without reason? Who can kill you? The soul is neither born nor it can die. The law of physics that energy can neither be created nor it can be destroyed. The same thing, it's happening here, but it's for your soul. Whatever happened for the good. Whatever is happening for the good, and whatever will happen for the good and good only. You need not have any regrets for the past. You need not be worrying for the future. The present is already happening. What did you lose that you cry about? What did you bring with you? Every kid just comes with their body. Nothing else, nobody else they bring along with them. What did you bring with you that you think you may have lost? What did you produce that you thought it got destroyed? You did not bring anything. Whatever you have was given to you. It was given to you on this planet. Whatever you took from this planet. You took from God. Whatever you gave to God. You came empty-handed. You will leave empty-handed. What is yours today belonged to someone else yesterday. And what will belong to someone else the day after tomorrow? You are mistakenly enjoying the thought that it's yours. It is this false happiness that causes all the sorrows that you have. Change is the law of the universe. As soon as you feel that something is constant, something is just going to stay forever, there it's going to come and change. Whether you have certain good situations in life, it's going to change. Whether you have some bad situations in life, it's going to change. What you think of as death is indeed life. In one instance, you can be a millionaire, and in another instance, you can be steeped in poverty. Yours and mine, big and small. Erase these ideas from your mind. Then everything is yours, and you belong to everyone. This body is not yours, neither are you of the body. The body is made of fire, water, air, earth and ether, and will disappear with these elements. But the soul is permanent, so who are you? Dedicate your being to God. He is the one to be ultimately relied upon. Those who know His support are forever free from fear, worry and sorrow. Whatever you do, do it as a dedication to God. This will bring tremendous experience of joy and life freedom forever. So this is the Bhagavad Gita. So this is a very short summary on Bhagavad Gita. You can actually daily listen to this at morning and at bedtime, which is actually going to make you very stress free and relieved and peaceful. So let me know down in the comments, how did you like this Bhagavad Gita summary? Well, I did not write it. It is Bhagavad Gita that's already written, and Bhagavad Gita summary that is also written. I don't know who wrote it. I never researched about that summary, that who wrote it, but I actually tried to find summary and I just found this same summary on like 4 to 5 different websites. So this is where I am just going with this. Okay, I just felt that this was perfect. I did not need to alter it anyway. So this is why I just gave it exactly the way I got it. A few words I just added. It was already there on the website. I just had it for you. I just read it out for you. Okay, so this is the Bhagavad Gita summary. I hope that you like it. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help somebody, do share it with that person. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Do share in the comments, how did you like this video, and definitely let me know how do you feel after listening to this entire Bhagavad Gita sar. Okay, bye bye. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.